Namaste everyone. We are Team Sky Squad and today we present our Swadeshi invention, a drone surveillance system for logistic sectors.
So we thought, why not to create a Swadeshi solution using a drones? Our idea is drone-based surveillance system that can keep an eye on logistics area, and the best part is that it never stops working.
Indian logistics system is vast from good transport to the delivery system, but there are major problems daily: theft during transport and lack of real-time monitoring. Surveillance is costly and time-consuming, especially in large area and transport hubs.
Let's understand how it's work. We have four drones and a one charging magnetic mold. At a one time, one drone does the surveillance of the area while other three are on the charging and also doing surveillance. One drone can fly for up to 15 to 20 minutes. So, when the first drone charging get low, we'll get the signal and that drone is manually fitted into magnetic charging mold, and the drone which has already been charged and doing the surveillance takes off immediately.
The rotational system means continuous 24 into 7 surveillance, easy maintenance, effective power use, and made in India. It is Swadeshi technology. Our charging modes can be fitted on every poles, and the advantage of our charging mode is that every drone can be fitted on them.
Our project supports budget-friendly ideology, which means instead of buying expensive drones from foreign markets, we aim to assemble and design it in India.
Our system can be used for tracking delivery vehicle, monitoring logistic hubs, border area surveillance, agriculture, and disaster management.
Our innovation not only brings logistic efficiency but also gives a Swadeshi solution to India's growing surveillance needs.
In future, we also have idea to add AI camera for automatic detection and also the GPS navigation for wider coverage.
Together, let's make India skyer, safer, and smarter. Jai Hind.